Okay, the gift box is in the shape of a cube. Now that's a huge, huge hint, the cube business, because with a cube we know that that's going to be x, and that way. 3 different directions, it's going to be the same length. So that's a massive as if the length of the diagonal is 30 centimetres, so I'm presuming they're saying that that there is 30 centimetres. How long are the edges of the box? So, interesting. Let's find the diagonal. If we've got the x and the x and the x, let's find this one here. So that's going to be x squared plus x squared, and take the square root of it, will be this diagonal. Using Pythagoras, right? That's a, that's b, that's c. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So the c is like that. Okay, let's simplify that. That's going to be 2x squared, take the square root of that. Now I could simplify further, but I'm not going to because it doesn't really help me. Now I need to look at this and this. So I know that's x, and I'm trying to find this. Oh, no, I know that's 30 centimetres. So I know 30 centimetres equals the square root of x squared plus this squared. Well, if I square that, I just get 2x squared, right? Yeah, nice. So I've got 30 centimetres equals the square root of 3x squared, because it's 1x squared plus 2x squared. Now, if I have got 30 centimetres equals the square root of 3, the square root of x squared is x. Right? That's times, not x. Therefore, x is going to equal 30 centimetres divided by the square root of 3. And it will be in centimetres. So let's try that. Here, 30 divided by the square root of 3. So the side should be 17.32. Where's my question? Oh. Okay, I found it. 17.32. 17.32. Well done. See, now I could say, put my name in and submit, and then I get this nice little certificate which you could put on your Google site, right? Or you can claim a trophy and register your trophy in this great big pile of loveliness. So let's go back and try again. So this was the 3D. More advanced problem solving techniques. I needed to answer 3D questions. Oh, and this is worth looking at. I suggest you have a nice little look, because it's got some nice diagrams, very nice diagrams. Yes, you could read through that and it actually gives you a how-to. I think that's enough for now. I'll try and find you some three-dimensional Sokotoa stuff. That would be fun.